Alright, so in this video I'm going to be talking about this label maker. It's a Dymo LetraTag desktop label maker. You can pick this up for $20 at Wally World. I'll put some more information on the description. You guys can check out the website. Now when you get this thing, it does include a manual, an owner's manual. You also get a refill cartridge, which is pretty cool. So all that is needed to get this thing going when you buy it is 4 AA batteries. So it does not come with the batteries. Here's the package that it comes in. As for features, it has a whole bunch of different features. I'll be going through a little bit of those, but that's pretty much what it does right there. And these right here are the available refills. You can get a metallic plastic, clear plastic, magnetic. You can even get iron-on, so you can print names and you can pretty much iron them onto shirts. You can get the variety pack and the paper pack. And these are the printing styles it does there: normal, bold, italic. There's outline, underline, shadow, and they call that Dymo, but vertical. That's what it is. So, I mean, it's pretty cool label maker, as you can see from the package. It just does all different kinds of stuff. You can use it on clothes, office stuff, kitchen. I use it here in the shop, which is pretty cool. I got the toolbox labeled there. I got a whole bunch of odd stickers all over, but I mean, it works, especially when you got help in the shop and you know somebody doesn't know where what goes. I mean, the labels come in handy for that. The label maker comes pretty handy for around the shop uses, but I'm going to be going through some features now for the label. The label cartridge, which just goes pressed in, and it just goes closed as so. The batteries go in here, which is pretty cool. So 4 of those. There's the on and off button right here. As you can see, it powers on. And I'll just give you guys a demonstration. I'll just type in here. Alright. The tool review. And I'll go ahead and push the print button here. At the top here, it prints out. And then there's a little scissor button here, so you just push down on that and remove your tag. And there you go. This one has a sticky side in the back. You can use this to put on your stuff, tools, just whatever. It has memory on here, so it does leave what you put in there. And you can also save this. It has a save button. You can put it in files. You can put your fonts, whatever you have saved. If you're going to go ahead and print at a later time, you can pretty much just save it. And also, you can print with bold, italic, underline. There's a different kinds of printing styles on this. Now if I push insert here, it'll have symbols there, and there's a second line option where it'll print on 2 lines on the top and the bottom on one same tag. There's a date. You can put the date on there. I'll just go real quick into the symbols, push OK, and as you can see, Those are all the little symbols that are available. There's a whole bunch of them. It's pretty cool. They have a little tool symbol, which I use a lot. And just a whole bunch of stuff. There's plenty to choose from. Between numbers, the date. That's pretty cool right there. Branding. Arrows, smileys, hearts, flowers. I'll just go ahead and use something here. A little thumbs up there. Push OK, and it inserts it at the end there. You can put it anywhere you want. You can also push the format button, and you can get a different size. As for sizes, you just push enter, and you can see the size right there, and it also says medium. You can go to small, extra large, large, medium. So I'll do an extra large print here. Push OK. I'll go to format again, and I'll go down to style. Now, as you can see, I have it on bold. You can go to italic, outline, shadow, vertical, normal. I'll go ahead and do an outline. And kind of gives you the outline, how it's going to look. I'll go ahead and push format again. It gives you an option for borders. You can change the border. As you can see, the ABC 1, 2, 3. And you can see a border, just an underline, a square border, smooth border, or smooth side border. And you get the ticket looking border there. There's an alligator, train, hearts, flowers. You can get into all different kinds of stuff right there. Push OK. And I'll go ahead and print that. Now, as for printing, it's not all that fast, but I mean, it gets the job done. I mean, I guess it does it fast enough. Takes a couple of seconds. Depends how much stuff you put on there. If it's really large fonts, usually takes a little while, but there you go. Doesn't look all that cool because of the border, but just to give you guys an idea. There's a little symbol there. It's kind of hard to see it on the camera, but it's a really cool label. So it's a Dymo LetraTag label maker, and there is two designs. This is the desktop model, and there's also it's shorter in width and longer in length than this. I like this one because of the big buttons. The other model has smaller buttons. Now, this thing is not very expensive tool. I consider it as a tool. Alright, so that's the Dymo LetraTag label maker. If you want more information, check out the description box. Check out their website. I'm sure you can find other cool things there. But that's my review on it. And I want to thank my subscribers and loyal subjects for always watching my videos. And until next time, thanks for watching.